Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's session I'm going to share with you the process of creating character design and of this bird. This bird its name is Aurel, and I need to develop it to my story, to my graphic novel, which comes true. I hope so. It comes true because I would like to. I have a text, I have a lot of sketches, and but let's be focused on character design. So in my head, I have quite clear imagination. I have quite clear vision of this character, but it's not enough for drawing. And for drawing, it's quite well. I need to draw and to sketch this image as much as I can, and because I need to be completely familiar, to completely well known with this image, with this character, because I'm going to draw. For example, I have some pages in my graphic novel when I have, for example, 6-7 panels, and in each panel you can find Aurel. So I need to know this character quite well, because I need to draw it from different points of view, with different in different situations. Okay, for this reason, when we refine or elaborate any animal or bird to some cartoony character, we have to create kind of anthropomorphism. Anthropomorphism means to make it human-like, human beings-like, and we have some ways for it. First way is to add facial expression. Another way to add outfit. Another way to add to refine its anatomy. For example, four-legged creature, we can make it only two-legged, so it should go on two legs, with two legs, not with four, for example. And so we have different ways to add to make our character human-like. And but in this case, in my case here, I decided don't add any outfit. I don't want to change drastically anatomy of the bird, but I have some limitation here, of course, and one of them is a beak. A beak of bird is quite a solid part of its body, and but for adding a facial expression, I have to make this beak flexible, which is of course it's nonsense in real time, in reality, of course, and but I decided to make these changes to refine a little bit anatomy of bird anatomy, because I need to add facial expression. Facial expression, I need to create it, to convert it to make it kind of mouth, and of course after that I'm going to add quite human-like eye and also eyebrow. And in addition, I'm going to change a little bit wings of bird, because my character should do something with wings, and which is impossible in reality. So after that, I'm going to add some colors to my character. For this reason, I need to duplicate my sketching layer, and to add with clipping mask to add grayish color. And under that, I'm going to create kind of basic layer, basic shape of bird just to add afterwards, to add colors, colors on clipping mask. Again, clipping mask, I think this technique you have to know quite well, because you need to just to use it, and that's it. So I'm not going to color each bird, because I don't need. I need to have some main colors just to understand, and again to imagine to myself this bird, this character in each situation quite well, also with colors. And mostly this bird should be kind of gold colors with yellow gold colors. And in clipping mask, as you can see, I add different hues of this bird. Of course, during my work, during my drawing, my painting of my comics and my graphic novel, I will change colors, because each color depends on the environment, depends on daytime or nighttime, and of course it will be different. It will get different hues, different colors. But for me, I just added these colors because I think it's enough attractive and suitable and appropriate to my story. And that's it. So I suggest you to draw, to do some sketches also with colors, because it will help you just to develop your character in the best way, and that's it. And it will be, for you, it will be more easier to imagine it to yourself, and to imagine it in different situations, in different I don't know, with different actions. And as you can see, again, I made here in this character, I made its beak quite flexible, and I add hands, not hands. I make wings hands-like. Okay. So I continue to sketch this character again and again, just for myself, just to understand how it should be from different points of view. And some words I would like to add about Procreate. Some artists, I don't know, relate or talk about Procreate like something not such serious. Of course, it's good for sketching, but for illustration, for good illustration, it's not appropriate. It's not suitable. And I would like to say that I can't agree with it because I illustrated 3-4 books in Procreate from start to the finish, include end paper, include cover, and I found this application Procreate quite well for Illustrator. Yes, I have some kind of I need more filters, I need more features like perspective guides in Clip Studio Paint, for example. But never mind, you can just I would like just to say that check your colors of your illustrations, because some of my illustrations I've got, when I printed, I've got them too dark. And just pay attention to this point. On other, I don't know, sites, you can use Procreate for comic, for graphic novels, for illustrations, for different kind of artworks. And I found, and after update, I found this application quite just great. I think it's great because it was built for iPad, and it's more appropriate to work and to draw on iPad. So this is for our session, and thank you for watching my video, and bye for now.